invited to State House where we had a sitting with the president. And in that sitting, we told the president if this new funding, if this model is not looked at, we are going to sabotage it by having nationwide strikes in the universities. So after that, they created a forum for student leaders. I said their greatest weapon is dividing us. And they took a few student leaders from the crop and they were told, if you support the government, we are going to have appointments and other profits for you. So even in the strike that we staged as student leaders, we had divisions among ourselves. And that is why today the call is to not allow ourselves to be divided, right? Because if we don't speak in one voice, then we don't sound serious. It will look like it's just a small fraction of people doing that. So at the moment, it is a court case, but students joined the university in 2023 under the new funding model. They are still struggling. Students joined the university in 2024 under the new funding model. People are struggling. Students will join the university in 2025 under that model. And as much as we are fighting, the people are still out there and they are suffering because the government will continue doing it while we are in court, going in rounds, because even our justice system sometimes fails us when it comes to fighting with the government. So that is the presentation for the new funding model. Thank you.